Hello everyone. Greetings from Sri Madhavadiraja Institute of Technology and Management. Welcome to the Computer Science and Engineering Department. The Computer Science and Engineering Department was established in the year 2010 with the student intake 60. Later, it increased to 120 in the year 2012. Today, the Computer Science and Engineering Department is one of the most promising department of SMVITM. So as we have entered to the new technological era, we can observe the advancement of computer science and its applications in each and every field. Definitely the computer technology and the huge data available that will rule the entire world in near future. At this point of time, it is very important to upgrade and train our young generation on the advancement of computer technologies.
Computer science and engineering is of course fastest growing branch in entire group. The technologies, the different softwares are not at all permanent. They keep on changing. Of course, programming languages also have changed like this. Now you consider the age of artificial intelligence. Now we talk about machine learning, we talk about deep learning, we talk about data science. I think the growth of computer science and engineering is marvelous, and its contribution to the knowledge era as well as to the globe is immense.
We have students from across the country and also from foreign countries too. Our students are well known for their academic achievements. From past few years, they are getting the best results in this region. Our students are also performing in the co-curricular and extracurricular activities. They are highly encouraged by the faculty members to perform on the co-curricular and extracurricular activities held at various organizations. Our students won several prizes in the various activities held at the different organizations. Our students have participated in final level of Smart India Hackathon. At our department, we have a very dedicated student organization, Code Troopers, and also we have IEEE student chapter very active at the institutional level for the benefit of the students.
Our department, the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, helps in a student's overall development. It consists of well-qualified teachers who help us with the academics and also are approachable at all times.
We provide the best advanced computer facility to enhance students' knowledge and realize several computer techniques and algorithms practically. In order to engage the students on their practical experiments, we have total 6 advanced laboratories where students can conduct different kind of computer-related experiments.
Our department has 5 well-furnished multimedia, spacious, well-ventilated classrooms. Department has best infrastructure facility with 6 computer labs and 1 central computer center. We have a VTU research center with Apple workstation to support research scholars. Computer Science and Engineering Department has a separate department library with 367 titles. Department has Wi-Fi facility for internet access and also drinking water facility, clean washrooms and rest room for girls.
Our department has best infrastructure, laboratories, games room, playground, etc. Apart from curriculum, our department organizes various other activities and competitions like IIoT project, technical events, cultural events, technical talks, etc., which will help us to think out of box and be in sync with latest technology.
The department also has state-of-the-art facilities for the academics in which the students can make best use of the facilities what is being provided in the institution for their academic works, in spacious classrooms, state-of-the-art laboratories, all the required licensed softwares for the academic activities are being given to the students. Thereby, we, the team of faculty members, the support of staff members, give our best for the betterment of the student community.
Our students have internship and industrial training program as a part of the curriculum, which they need to complete during the intervening holidays of the 6th to 7th semester or the 7th to 8th semester. The internship is mainly designed so that the students can gain knowledge in their desired field and also to bridge the gap between the academics and the industry. Different companies, reputed companies as well as different startups have collaborated with our department, and they provide internship opportunities to our students in different fields like artificial intelligence, machine learning, web development and so on. So these internship programs help the students to gain knowledge, and it is very useful for the students.
The department has been associated with various national and international technical and non-technical student associations like IEEE, ISB, NSS and CodeToolers. I have been part of this association from first year. Through this association, I got the opportunity of organizing various events like IIoT and Hackathon.
Every student is unique with different potential and capabilities. Department of Computer Science and Engineering recognizes the ability of every student and facilitate the journey of the student from academia to industry. Our college provides opportunities for the students to get placed in mass recruiting companies like Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Mindtree, Cognizant and many more. We have a consistent placement record of 85%.
We at SMVITM not only guide the students on technical aspects, but also we uplift their sense on societal integrity. As a result, we have identified and developed several technical solutions for many of the surrounding societal issues through our institution. As every field has its own positive and negative phases, the computer technologies are also having the societal plus and minus. Keeping that in our mind, we always follow our motto, engineering your career and character with care. We provide the best technical education, but at the same time, we uphold the morality of the students. They are getting the best technical knowledge along with the ethical values. To visualize what we offer at SMVITM, I take this opportunity to welcome you all to our campus.
Hi guys, so I'm Lavanya. I'm a pass out student from 2020 batch from Computer Science and Engineering department. So I would like to share my experience as a student and my journey through SMVITM. So studying at SMVITM was the best part of my life. Not only did I get professional guidance, but also improved my ethical skills as well as the cultural skills.
I really feel lucky for being a part of SMVITM for 4 years. SMVITM supported me in all the aspects like technical, cultural as well as sports. It helped me a lot to develop personally in terms of technical aspects as well as the soft skills, and helped me to build a bright career.
As we all know, a strong foundation is a key to long-term success. So SMVITM is one such institution which has provided me a platform where I can improve my skills and knowledge. The institution encourages students to improve their skills to pursue their career in engineering with a supportive team of faculty and management aiming at providing a quality-based education. Last but not the least, I am proud to be alumni of such an esteemed institution, and thank you SMVITM for setting me up for success.